Hi, this is Valerie with AppMyHome, and today we're going to check out the Eufy Smart Scale P3, and Eufy sent us this for the review. All right, so this is an intelligent scale. It measures 16 different body measurements, and I think the most important thing, it's accurate to 50 grams, so it's important to weigh yourself right. It also does some smart body composition analysis, and it's got a smart motivation system. We'll see how that works. Anyway, so let's open it up. All right, here's the directions for setting it up. Pretty easy. And here's the scale. Ta-da! All right, so you can see here, one of the key features of this scale is actually it's got a big bright screen right here, so you can see the measurements in real time while you're weighing. You don't have to wait to look at them on the app. And speaking of apps, it syncs with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and syncs to the Eufy app, and also will sync with your Apple Health, your Google Fit, or your Fitbit. Here is the owner's manual. That's always important. And it comes with 4 AAA batteries. So that's nice, it comes with it. So we're ready to get it set up and see how it works. But I'm going to make Mark weigh himself. I'm not going to do it. The directions inside the box send you to the Eufy Life app. But since we use the Eufy app, we installed it there. First, you need to make sure that Care is selected. Then you can add the P3 from the list of devices. The P3 scale allows unlimited users, but each user should install their own Eufy app if they want to track their own weight. You can also add a child or a pet to your account. The app instructed us to tap the scale with a foot to change users, but after we each weighed ourselves, it was smart enough to know who was who without the tap. The heart rate sensor does not work automatically, so remember to turn it on within the app. You can sync the scale with third-party services like Google Health, Apple Health, or Fitbit. Start by clicking your user graphic on the top left, scroll down to Settings, select Care, select Third Party, and then select the service. The scale primarily syncs with Bluetooth, but you can also connect it to Wi-Fi. It will sync up your weight to your app if you're out of Bluetooth range. You can set your weight loss goal and it will adjust the avatar to show what you might look like at your goal weight. Make sure you set the weight goal, the body fat percentage goal, your target date, and scroll down to save it. The app also has a calorie tracker built in with a recommended target based on your weight goals, and the ability to add meals, search the database, and save favorites. Step on the scale and it will take 16 different measurements, including things like muscle mass, body water, and protein. When you click on the Data tab, it will show you an overview of all the measurements, and you can see the trends by day, week, and month. The P3 scale feels solid, and using the app is easy once we figured out how to set it up. Having the Wi-Fi built in is a nice feature, but we wonder how that will affect the battery life. Thank you for watching.